Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys know, I have been doing a ton of kitchen content. Anything like food related or home decor, you know I love. So I wanted to feature a brand on my channel today called Zulay Kitchen. I did partner up with them and they sent me 3 products. I've been using these products around my kitchen and I can honestly say I absolutely love them. I am someone who cooks a lot, so all 3 of these products really come in handy. I wanted to show them to you and just demonstrate them to you and talk about the brand. Everything in this video will be listed down below for you guys to purchase yourselves. So the first product I'm going to be showing you guys is this garlic mincer. So I've actually never had a garlic mincer before. Believe it or not, yes, me. I've never had a garlic mincer before. I didn't even know that this existed until I saw this on their website and I was like, what? I don't know how I didn't know that. I just didn't know that you could actually mince your own garlic with a little tool. I thought you had to like chop it up. So that's news to me, right? So I wanted to demonstrate for you guys how this works. First of all, can we talk about the quality of the products? This thing is actually pretty heavy and very sturdy. It's a really, really well-made tool. I was actually really pleased to see that, like, so it's not gonna like break on you. Honestly, their products are really, really nice. So this is stainless steel. I do believe this comes in different colors. If I'm not mistaken, I've seen it. But this one, I just thought went really well with my kitchen. It's just so pretty, but it actually does its job. So I wanted to show you guys. I have some garlic sitting over here. Yes, I know you guys love my staging. So I'm gonna place it in this little compartment thingy here, and then you literally just push this down and mash the garlic into your little bowl thingy. Isn't that amazing? Like, seriously, I was just like so amazed. So this makes mincing garlic so much easier. If you're someone like me who likes to cook with a lot of fresh ingredients, this is the perfect tool. And also I want to tell you guys, like, all of their products are really affordable, believe it or not. They're not super expensive. They're really affordable. I love that because this means that anyone can just go on their website and purchase their products. So I'm gonna actually just take this little spatula here and put the garlic in the bowl, and that will bring us in to our next product. The next product are these spatulas. So these are heat safe spatulas that I actually got from them. I chose these because I actually really needed these. I love to use these for mixing or icing cakes or just whatever you want, but they're heat safe, so that's really good because if I put these on my stove, sometimes like in the midst of cooking, I'll lay it down on something hot and they'll melt. So I've done that before. So I actually was really happy to get these. They're just beautiful, to be completely honest. Look how gorgeous. Let's not use the one that's dirty, actually. Let's sit that there. So these are just the most beautiful spatulas, and they're actually very well made. Like, they're very sturdy. They're kind of, I want to say they have a little bit of weight to them, so they're not like cheaply made at all. I really love their products. I was honestly like, when they came in the mail, I was like, wow, this stuff is really, really well made. This is good stuff. So you do get 4 of these spatulas. There's like a thinner one, and then they have like a wide one, and then they have like an angled one, and then they have a smaller version of the angled one. So if you guys are looking for heat safe, like very sturdy spatulas, I highly recommend this brand. So these are not the only products I'm going to be showing you guys. I will definitely have some more in the future. I want to purchase a lot more stuff because they have like over 120 products on their website, and everything on there I was like, oh, I need this, I need that, I need this. It's honestly things that I never really even thought about purchasing, and these will absolutely make my life easier, especially this garlic mincer. Like, I was like, yes, I need that. Like, this is the thing I was most excited about. And then this is something that I feel like everybody needs in their kitchen. I don't care who you are. I don't care if you just make grilled cheeses every day. This is something you absolutely need in your kitchen. It is a utensil rest. Not having one of these honestly drives me nuts. I am so particular about making messes in my kitchen when I cook. I don't know if you guys are, but I am. So personally, this thing was like just right on time. Honestly found this utensil rest to be the most useful thing that I got because I cook a lot. So just having this next to my stove is going to be so helpful. It's going to catch any mess that falls off of the spoon, any sauce or anything. It'll keep my countertops clean and they won't soak up any of the sauce, because sometimes, you know, pasta sauce or whatever you're cooking with can get into your counters, especially if you have granite, or anything that's porous like what I have, you will definitely need something to lay your utensils on. And I like it because you can lay multiple utensils on it. You know, sometimes you have the one little spoon shaped one and you just lay one spoon on there. This, you can do multiple ones. So as I'm cooking, I can just grab whatever I need, put it back while I'm cooking or while it's doing whatever, and we're good to go. So yeah, these are the 3 products that I got from Zulay Kitchen. I love them. I'm gonna order some more stuff. Just stay tuned and I'll try and post it and get some videos up, and I will definitely post the links down below. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Guys, get this stuff, and definitely get this garlic mincer if you're someone who cooks, because you're gonna love it. I am like obsessed. I've been mincing garlic all morning, if you can't tell, because of this garlic mincer. So now, I mean, you know what else you can do? You can honestly just mince up a ton of garlic and jar it yourself and just put it in your fridge and you're good to go, and you'll have some pre-minced garlic. You don't even have to sit there and do it every time. If you want it to be super fresh, then yeah, you can just take this and mince it. And also, guys, just a heads up, this is gonna take a little bit of strength. It's not too hard to do, but I did notice that doing it with 2 hands was a lot easier than doing it with 1. So yeah, you're definitely going to need your hands for that. So yeah, super easy. Oh, and it's super easy to clean. You can just rinse it off, and the peel just comes right out of the middle in here. So that's another good thing. And then you'll just rinse the rest of the garlic off. So hope you guys enjoyed this. Love you so much. Tune in because I will have more videos up. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.